What's up, guys? So welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I just bought the new ebook from the Flexible Dieter. It's the 5.0 ebook. He makes recipes kind of like how I do, except on a way larger scale. He's really well known for it, and I just wanted to check out his ebook so that I could get a fresh perspective, get some new ideas, see what kind of stuff he's done, and how stuff kind of works. So I'm going to link him in the description box below. He's awesome. You guys need to check out his YouTube channel. You need to check out his ebook. He has a lot of free recipes on his YouTube channel here, but his ebook does cost like $64. It has hundreds of recipes though, with the macros, pictures, all that cool stuff. So totally worth it. But I wanted to try out a new recipe with you guys today. I'm not going to give you the exact measurements of ingredients or anything like that, because this is his work and you need to go check him out in order to get that. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, give you guys a little review, because he made these sugar cookies that are stuffed with Oreos. So we are going to be making protein sugar cookies stuffed with Oreos. How dope does that sound, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna mix some protein powder, some sugar-free sweetener, some coconut flour, and some baking powder in a bowl. Again, like I said, I'm not gonna be giving you guys measurements today. Here's our wet ingredients: just some applesauce, some pumpkin puree, some egg whites, and some vanilla extract. All we have to do now is just mix these ingredients together. So this is enough to make 4 cookies. The batter seemed kind of cakey to me, like not like a normal cookie dough, but we're gonna see what happens. Adding some sprinkles in there. That's another thing I really like about Zack's recipes. They're so aesthetically pleasing. Like everything he makes is so pretty. You have to check out his YouTube channel. All you're gonna do from here is put the 4 cookies onto a baking sheet. So like I said, it's very cakey batter, but it ended up working out okay. You just spoon it on there, like so. And now the best part, we're gonna be stuffing a reduced fat Oreo in the middle of them, which is so dope. And you're just going to put the rest of the batter on top to cover up the Oreos before you put them in the oven. So that's really all you have to do for these guys. I really love that his recipes make small batches. That way you can try lots of stuff. It's super simple, super quick, and really didn't take that much time or effort to make. So you could really do this anytime you wanted. And then you could have fresh cookies, yo. Who doesn't like their cookies fresh? Alright guys, so they cooled off enough for me to pick up. So here is what this cookie looks like. And I feel like I should cut it rather than just breaking into it, but we're gonna just break into it together. Ooh. So check it out, guys. That looks amazing. I am so stoked to try this now. Guys, if you have a sweet tooth like me and you're trying to be healthy, you need to check out Zack's page. You need to check out this recipe, which is in his ebook 5.0. Again, he has a bunch of other free recipes on his channel if you want to give those a try first. Make sure you dig him, but like, dude, look at this. That shit's insane. Anyways, I'm gonna eat a couple of these cookies. I was so mesmerized by these cookies, I forgot to tell you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you want me to review any more of Zack's dope recipes, oh my god. And let me know if you guys buy his ebook. He's super, super awesome. He's a really nice guy. You should check out some of his videos for sure. Follow him on Instagram. That's where I first saw him, was his orgasmic pictures. They're amazing. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, VegHeadKristen. And stay tuned for more recipes and possibly more reviews, guys. Look at that cookie. Look at it!